We are visiting Pixar Experience in Brussels. It travels all over the place. I think it came from Madrid, and where it's going next, I don't know. So I was invited a few months ago to see this Pixar Experience, but I didn't go, too busy. It's my daughter's birthday, so it's Xanthe's 19th birthday, and I said, okay, you can choose. It's a Sunday. If it's in the week we have to work, but it's a Sunday, so you can choose what we're going to do. And she says, if I can choose, I will choose Pixar. It's nice weather and we're going inside. So it's all things that are happening in the Pixar movies, and you can take pictures. I don't know how big it is. I don't know what to do, but she wanted to do it, so yeah. And here you see the full family plus one. So the plus one never saw the Atonium. Well, we visit all kinds of things all over the world, and your own country, you nearly never visit your own country. What's all to do in Belgium? There are a lot of things to do. The Atonium was built for Expo in the 50s. I would say 58, late 50s. There was an Expo here. So these buildings here are all of the Expo and also the Atomium. It was normally just built for the Expo, and it would be removed after the Expo, but they left it here. So, and you can go inside. We have been inside many years ago, and there's a museum of the beginning of the Atomium. But let's see Pixar. Every room you enter, you smell something different. Here in Ratatouille, and it smells to food. Do you smell it? No? Hey, don't smell different than the last room. You smell?
I
food?
smell it. I'm hungry now.
Yeah. Oh no, that was the last one. No. That was it. Pixar Experience. How was it?
Very good.
Yeah?
Yes.
You liked
We will
it?
do it again tomorrow.
Yes. It's really quickly over. I don't know how many rooms there were.
There are 13.
15? 13?
30.
13. If you have fun, then it goes really quickly. So in the beginning you say, oh wow, 13 rooms. And before you know it, it's gone. It's all beautiful. And you can wait a little bit. You can ask the monitors that they can take a picture of the whole group. They will do that all with a pleasure and with a smile. Everybody is really friendly. Everybody goes on the side so you can take pictures. So no problem about that. Now we're going to Tour and Taxis. This is a site in Brussels where you can eat food, see some street art. I don't know if it's going to be open because it's already a little bit over noon. Let's go there. I'm crazy about street art. And then we go back home because you have an appointment this evening?
No?
No? You're not going to eat now? Oh, you said that.
Yes.
Okay, but not anymore.
But I don't know when we're gonna be back.
Ah, okay, okay. Okay.
Maybe.
No date. Maybe. Oh, maybe
Last
date.
minute, maybe.
Maybe. Okay, let's go. This is really an amazing, cool place. So you have all these different things you can eat. You can order at a display and everybody can choose something else. So we are eating Mexican, my wife and I, and Arco is eating a hamburger. And you can make your hamburger as you want. You can design your own burger. So you have sushi, you have Italian, you have many things. So really, really, really cool place here. So we have 4 different tacos. So to finish the day, we have an ice cream. There were not much street art around the water, but hey, it was an extra of the Pixar Experience. So you can come to this tour and taxi and eat all different things. What? Thank you. So I have to lick. It's warm, so it's melting. What was the day? Good. How was the day? Sunday. What?
How was the day?
How was the day? How was the day?
Sunday.
Okay? Your birthday was okay?
Good.
Yes? Okay. I'm happy then. Happy father.